Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video we will be discussing about Indian Space Research Centre new mission Aditya L1. After grand success of Chandrayaan 3, now focus on the Aditya L1 mission is a major step forward for India's space program. It is the first Indian mission to study the sun in detail, and it will make India a major player in the field of solar physics. The mission is scheduled to be launched in early September 2023. It will be placed in a halo orbit around the Sun-Earth Lagrange point 1, L1. This is a point in space where the gravitational forces of the Sun and Earth balance each other out, allowing Aditya L1 to stay in a stable orbit. The spacecraft will be about the size of a car and will weigh about 2,200 kilograms. It will be launched by a PSLV-C57 rocket from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. The mission is expected to last for 5 years. The Aditya L1 mission will study the Sun in a number of ways. It will use a coronagraph to block out the bright light of the Sun's surface, allowing scientists to study the solar corona, which is the outermost layer of the Sun's atmosphere. It will also use a spectrograph to analyze the light from the Sun to study its composition and temperature. A magnetometer will measure the Sun's magnetic field, and a radiometer will measure the Sun's heat radiation. The Aditya L1 mission is expected to make a number of important discoveries about the Sun. It is expected to help us to better understand the Sun's corona, which is still poorly understood. It is also expected to help us to better understand the Sun's magnetic field, which is responsible for solar storms. The mission is also expected to help us to better understand the Sun's impact on Earth, such as its role in climate change. The Aditya L1 mission is a major undertaking, but it is one that has the potential to make significant contributions to our understanding of the Sun. We are excited to see what new discoveries the mission will make and how it will help us to better understand the Sun and its impact on Earth. The specific goals of the Aditya L1 mission are to study the structure and dynamics of the solar corona. Study the origin and evolution of solar flares and coronal mass ejections. Study the relationship between the Sun's magnetic field and its activity. Study the impact of solar activity on Earth's atmosphere and climate. The Aditya L1 mission is a complex and challenging undertaking, but it is one that is essential for our understanding of the Sun and its impact on Earth. We are confident that the mission will be a success and will make significant contributions to our knowledge of the Sun.